Today I'm going to show you how to block email using spam filters in DirectAdmin. You can block spam emails from specific email addresses using spam filters. First, sign into your DirectAdmin account. In the Email Manager section, click on the Spam Filters. Here you can see the Email Filters or Spam Filters interface, where we can create different types of filters for incoming emails. Click the drop-down icon for the list of different options for blocking emails. To block email from a specific email address, select the Email option. Next, enter the email address you want to block in the text input box and click the Block button. You can see that the entered email address has been blocked. You can block more email addresses in the same way. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like and subscribe buttons for more. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. Until then, happy hosting!